Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the screen time break on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok and then go to your profile section and click on these three lines, go to the settings and then scroll down and go to the activity center. Next click here, see all screen time data. So as you see here we have this screen time breaks, click on it. And now we have the schedule break, so get reminded to take a break from TikTok after a period of time. You have to choose 10 minutes or 20 minutes or if you want to custom the time as you want, and click save and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.